The greatest common divisor, also called the highest common factor, is the largest whole number that divides two numbers evenly. For 12 and 18, that is 6, since 6 divides both and nothing larger does. Instead of listing every factor of both, there is a beautifully simple method that is over 2,000 years old called Euclid's algorithm. Euclid noticed something lovely. The greatest common divisor of two numbers does not change if you replace the larger with its remainder when divided by the smaller. So we repeatedly turn the pair A and B into the pair B and a remainder B. The numbers shrink quickly. When the second number finally reaches 0, the first number is the greatest common divisor. No factoring needed at all. The loop runs while the second number is still positive. Each round, the new pair becomes the old B and the remainder of a divided by B. This is Euclid's replacement step. Once B hits 0, it holds the greatest common divisor, so we return it. Let's build Euclid's method live and watch the numbers shrink. The function takes the two numbers whose common divisor we want. While the second number is positive, replace the pair with B and the remainder of A over B. When the second number reaches 0, the first is the greatest common divisor. Now let's test it and hit run. "12 and 18 share a greatest divisor of 6. 48 and 36 share 12. And 7 and 13, both prime, share only 1, meaning they have nothing in common but the number 1. The flow is tiny. While the second number is positive, set the new pair to B and remainder B, then loop. When the second number is 0, return the first, which is the greatest common divisor. Euclid's algorithm is remarkably fast. Each remainder step shrinks the number so quickly that the number of steps grows only like the logarithm of the smaller number. And we keep just the two variables, so the space is constant. 3 reminders. The loop continues while the second number is positive, and the answer is the first number, not the second. The greatest common divisor of any number and 0 is that number itself. And if your inputs might be negative, take absolute values first.